Hello everybody. Today I find myself with my car visiting my local Aston Martin dealership, which is really a 3.5 hour drive from my house. And I'm here for the battery recall action RA-18-0026. And I wanted to give you a little rundown on what they're going to do. Basically, there is an issue that was reported that under certain rare circumstances, the right-hand side, the passenger in my car driver's seat rail can go back and smash the main battery feed cable to the fuse box to the point where it actually ruptures the casing on the battery cable and shorts out and could start a fire under the seat. So I want to show you how that might happen. So first of all, I'm going to actually inspect my existing cable before they do the work. To do that, you need to move your seat all the way forward because the action is actually behind the passenger side seat, and then tip it all the way forward and up as well to try and give yourself the most possible access behind the seat. And just doing a little bit more forward. Okay, so behind the seat here, what's been happening is essentially this seat track, if your seat isn't properly calibrated, can keep coming back and extend a little bit too far and push on the carpet right here. Well, what's under there is the battery cable, and to get access to see that, you need to actually pull this piece of carpet back. So you can do that. You can just grab this, and this is held on by Velcro. Just carefully pull back a little bit of your upper carpet, and then if you flip up this bottom corner, so it's actually this piece of the battery cable behind the essentially right behind where the seat track comes back to, and if it bangs away on that piece of the cable over and over again, it can get the casing broke. So what they're going to do today is they're going to pop this they're going to inspect it, which it looks fine. They're going to put a little protective shield around this part of the cable. So I'll show that to you later. Let them do their thing, and then I'll show you what happens. So I thought with the work done now, we'd take a quick look at how it ended up. And just pull the carpet back again. Flip it up here. And there you can see it. The little bump block has now been fitted. Basically, they pull the tie wrap mount off, they slip this block underneath, put the mount back on, and then they zip tie the battery cable down to the block. And if you look now, if the seat were to travel too far back, it would crash into the plastic of the block before it hits the body of the cable. So safe and sound. So everything put back together. I'd recommend this is something you definitely take care of on your DB9 if it's one of the affected ones, so you help keep your car in top shape and maintain your ownership value. Thanks for watching.